Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a boss watch face for you all to check out, and this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download ASAP. Now this one, people, is going to fit all occasions. I'm talking about if you're going to be dressing up to impress this holiday season, or if you're going to be dressing super casual, and if you're going to be dressing just plain old casual, right? This one here is going to fit all those occasions. Now let's take a look at it. Now the name of the watch face is called Simple Gear SG24, and yes people, this is the light version of this watch face. I got to check out the pro version because this one here is nice. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same exact look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode. Now when the watch face is on, you get a nice analog look. I'm liking the way the hands lights up here, and you also get that smooth second hand that's slowly sweeping around the bezel of the watch, and you know what that screams, right? It has a little luxury feel and taste to it. I like it, and you get a traditional date over here to the right. Not a bad look at all, and your battery percentage down at the bottom. It's not cluttered with a whole bunch of icons as it shouldn't be, but again, I'm thinking people, this is a nice look. Now, what would have took this one over the top is if we were able to customize the background. Although the background looks decent, I wish I could have got a plain color out of it, like maybe dark blue, or maybe just a simple plain old black, or a nicer design so far as the background theme is concerned. But considering that the watch face is free, this one is definitely tight. I'm giving it 3 thumbs up in the door. Right now, we're not finished yet. Check this out. I'm going to double tap on the watch face. It changes the markers a little bit. I'm going to do it again, and now you have a traditional analog watch face, right? And double tap again. There you go. It changes the theme a little bit more. Double tap, and it brings you right back to where you were. Now you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Again, people, this one is free. I know I've been giving you a lot of freebies. I can't help it, and we got more coming. All right, you all, again, enjoy your holiday season. Enjoy family and friends. Be safe. Eat well, and I'll see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.